Construction. We're here today installing 3-inch conduit using our Volvo EC40F. We're a utility construction. We specialize in installing and repairing conduit for power, communications, water, sewer, storm, all phases of utilities. So McAllen Construction started in 1995 as a building and remodeling company, and then we soon transitioned to doing utility construction. We first got our Volvo machine in 2000, so we're almost running on over 2 decades with Volvo. We love their machines, their excavators. We pretty much cover all across Connecticut, anywhere, any place. We're a 24/7 emergency repair contractor, so our phone is available at all times. So today I'm working with Justin LaBelle, our superintendent, Tim McAllen, he's operating today, as well as Derek, who's labor.
One thing we saw with your operator, he dropped the bucket and it looked like he did a move. Can you explain that move to us? Y'all were excited about it.
Yeah, so what's great about the Volvo, all the machines, they have the quick connect feature, so we can turn around the bucket. As you saw in the video, we had to turn the bucket to get underneath the curb so we don't have to repair it. So we just spin it around and everything's opposite. So if you're a good operator, he just spins the bucket. He was loading the asphalt like that too, where he was able to rip it up, and he's pretty smooth with it. So as of right now, we got a couple 35s and a couple 40s, as well as a 58 and a 60 wheeled excavator. And then we also have some of the larger machines, a 145 and a 250. We love working with Tim McDermott over at Tyler. Pretty awesome. Still waiting on some more sweatshirts from him. But it's summertime, so maybe some t-shirts would be great. Working with this crew, we definitely have a small business. Everyone cares about each other. We have great teamwork, communication. We love what we do. It's hard work, but at the end of the day, you can see what you're doing. You know what you did, installing all the conduit, and at the end of the day, it feels good. You get a good workout in, and you have a couple laughs along the way.